Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and to a new open with me. And a little bit concerning, I noticed that I have a big hole in my envelope. So I usually complain that they're a little bit too well stuck, but this one's got a hole and there are free gifts inside. So I don't know if they're all there. Strangely, can't get to open it where it should be open, so we'll go here then. While I'm getting this out then, if you've not done so already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and hopefully you'll be informed when new videos pop up. So we've got a free gift of some beads, okay, wooden beads at that. And here's the magazine. And we'll find out if there should have been anything else alongside these wooden beads in a second once we get going. So what do we have? Best new yarns reviewed. We've got Hooked on Kimbap. It does say Kimbap, doesn't it? Anyway, Hedgehog in Bloom. Issue 164. We've got Embellishing the Bottom of Your Turn-Ups, or upcycle your fave pair of bell-bottom jeans. Do we have bell-bottom jeans still? Stitching for summer, hot crochet trends inside, halter neck top, summer shawl, baby mobile, crochet pinata, and much more. We've got food and stuff and kawaii connection. So let's get inside. So yeah, do you fancy embellishing the bottom of your bell bottoms? Do you have any bell bottoms? Well, I wonder. This must be the pinata. And I reckon this is the top that you're going to be putting the beads on. So what else have we got? We've got a bit of bunting. We've got a basket for pencils. Not a clue. Looks like, I think that's a beauty sponge or something. We've got a shawl that's, let's go up. Quite nice looking, actually. Did you see any of that? Anyway, there's the beauty thing. There's the wall, what's the word I'm looking for? I said it just now, bunting. We've seen these already. We've got a halter neck top. We've got a basket for bread. And another take on the bag thingy. We've got a blanket. And this is what you could get, I guess, if you subscribe. Could be, maybe, we don't know for sure, but we'll see. Advert. Crochet lollies. At least they're not fattening. Well, no lollies are fattening, I suppose. Mother Indians crochet queens have achieved their 6th world record as the largest display of crochet squares and a staggering 100,581 piece of crocheted India by the looks of it. Okay, waste not. This must be some kind of recycled yarn. It's eco-conscious Aran yarn made from 95% recycled cotton, soft and durable, perfect for crafting. So by Wool Couture. What else have we got to look at? So these are, funny enough, I think I just sold my last one because I had these at a real low price. The Soft Touch. I love the Clover Soft Touch. I'd prefer it to the Amour, but as you all know, I'm a tulip girl. But if I do use a Clover, 9 times out of 10, if I'm using one, you'll see it's one of these. So we have skills and events. 9th to the 10th of August, we've got the North East Wool Show from £6 at Newcastle upon Tyne. We have the 15th to the 16th of August, it's Crochet Not Knit, £159.50 in Worcester. Lordy. We've got the 16th of August, Pop-Up Wool Shop, £4 in Bebington Wirral. And the 30th to the 31st of August at the Southern Wool Show in Newbury Racecourse, and that's £6. So we've got books to look at. They're very small pictures, but we have Selena Backer, 9.99. Crochet granny square tops, bags and more. We've got 52 weeks of scrap yarn. Not 52 weeks of granny squares like me, but 39 euros 99. Wow. Wow, guys. I can keep that one. I'm sorry. I'm pay that for a book. What's they on? Mini Amigurumi Woodland by Julia Chang, 7.99. And Crochet Your Own Cat by Miko Shindo, 20.99. Wow. It is a nice cat, but still, get a real one for that. Just saying. So much fluffy cost me. So, Skein and Tell. Probably a lot more now. Just being flippant. Anything we can look at there? Not really. They're just local wool shops that are being put on here, and you got to be in the area, haven't you? Scarborough. Okay, moving on. So this is the bunting. What's this all about? This is Sumptuous Stitches. Kimbap is a Korean snack made of seaweed, rice, meat and sautéed vegetables. Stitch all the colours and the flavours in this fun bunting. So that is what kimbap is. A Korean snack made of seaweed, rice, meat and sautéed veggies. Kawaii cuisine. Amy Ting's cute crochet is inspired by the Korean and Taiwanese foods of her youth. Okay, if you want to crochet food. So this then, actually it wasn't beauty. It does look like it though because of this, unless that's just a pretend bottle of milk. What is this? Tasty Sounds. Store your earbuds in a bolo bun. It's a bun. See, what do I know? I'm useless at identifying amigurumi, even when they're just buns. Anyway, at least I didn't call it potato. Full steam ahead. This one is, remember growing up and having classic rice cooker and pink flowers all over it? Well, I'm glad that I read that because I would have never known that's meant to be a rice cooker. Okay, let's move on. This is all of the instructions on how to do all of that stuff and things. Want to make a rice cooker? Here we go. Sunny Delight. This is called. Step into the light of in a hot pink and orange combo designed by Cassie Ward. I thought maybe this is where the beads was coming in, but I can't see them. Can't see the beads. Must be for something else. Okay. And I didn't see if I lost anything out of my book yet, so I have to remember to look for that. Woodland Wanderer. So this is a hedgehog covered in flowers, well, bluebells to be exact, which you don't see every day. Just saying. So yeah, this sheep is Calista colour pack. 109 balls. 109 balls. They're going to be about 10 ounce. 10 ounce, is that right? 10 grams or something. They're going to be tiny, aren't they? If you get 109 of them, they're going to be minute anyway. But that's what you get if you subscribe today, and there's the details for your wonder. So this is called Cuff Love. Kelly Wilson Moore's chic trim offers a festival-worthy summer glow-up for your old denim. Isn't it funny how we get buzzwords like? It used to be pimping it, and then it was something else. Now it's glow up. Everything's getting a glow up. You love these words, the jargons that they come up with. So this is a quick summer make. It's quick because there's nothing of it, basically. It's just a halter top, and well, probably fit my thigh looking at it. Seriously, as baggy as it is on her. No, only joking. But yeah, that's just a little halter top. So how to do that. This is a mobile for your baby, like fruity one. A fruity mobile. Pears, bananas and apples. Oh, I can identify them. Getting better at it. Ready, Pause, Create. So this is an advertisement feature. We'll move on. Creature Comforts. This is Amigurumi Critters. And Amy Ting wrote that, and there's, I think, Amy Ting. So maybe we'll get one of her little critters as a in here. You sometimes do that, don't they, when they show somebody. So this is a bag. I've made a bag this shape on my channel before, but these are more solid squares, which is good because things won't poke out. This is time for tea, so you can make a tray. I cannot imagine for 1 minute it's going to stay really that shape. Not for long. Unless it is made with like really sturdy yarn. Anyway, this is Joanne Fowler's cotton tray, ideal for bread, cakes and pastries. I don't know. I don't think I'd want to put food in it. I don't think I'd want to wash it, you know, like that. And you would if you had to put food in it. Square play. So this is achieved these geometric kind of shapes and play with colour. It's they're ombreing the colours out, which is quite pretty. So wow, lots to look at here on how to do. I like this. This is quite snazzy. This is called Cocktail Party. Jordana Ademska Halsen's Glam Shawl will get your creative juices flowing. So this is a sheep's whirl cake, which that is beautiful colours. I really like that. A little while ago, you may have noticed I ordered some cotton yarn because I saw something like this and I wanted to get that colour, but it turned out to be the thinnest yarn and the most overpriced thinnest yarn. So I like the yarn there. That's beautiful. So that's what makes the project, I think, there. Crochet on the curriculum. Crochet improves problem-solving skills, determination and self-confidence. So why aren't crafts given more priority in school? Well, they were when I was at school. Not so much crochet. I tried to teach my teacher to crochet. Couldn't do it. She was very, very unteachable. Celine Seaman's Loopy Pinata cushion brings celebrations and sunny garden parties outdoors. Everyone want to smack it with a stick. That's the only thing. I mean, it looks cute. But you know, don't you, that people are so used to sort of seeing that, or kids, they're just going to go whacking at it with a stick. Feel sorry for it. This is Blackberry Salad Stitch. Never heard of that. Blackberry Salad Stitch. This month we're craving fresh fruity stitches in these feast-worthy yarns, bursting with colour and texture. Well, yeah, it's quite nice. Blackberry Salad Stitch. We're looking at some yarns. We've got Drops Air, West Yorkshire Spinners Fable, Stylecraft Relove. I think I had some of that as Happy Mail once from them, but and the multicolours, which I did have some of, the Donegal Luxury Tweed and the Pom Pom Garland. Not really had many of those to know what they're like. Bonus digital gift. Download your free amigurumi collection. You have to go to Gathered though, and we all know what happens there. Show us yours. So we've got all of these. That's Elmer the Elephant. Okay, I knew him. And we've got readers, letters and stuff. What have we got? How to combine your granny squares. Brush up on your technique with our simple guide. Do we need a guide? I mean, I've been making granny square blankets since before these people writing this book were born, probably. Do I need a guide on these? Maybe some inspiration, perhaps, who knows. Looking for a good yarn? Visit your website, www.hobbyrice.co.uk. Okay, this is called Emerald Isle, frilled trim. And this is a little warmth and a lot of style to your outfit with the sophisticated neckerchief by Sarah Huntington. Now, I don't know if it's Sarah or Sarah, but I'm just spitballing there. Now we're at this Crochet Essentials. So we've got I like to call it the Teaching Granny to Suck Eggs department. And we've got all the hook sizes, abbreviations and conversions. Next time, we've got this vesty top. It's got a very thin strap. Look at that. That is the thinnest strap that I've ever seen. And we've got a colour wheel yet again. They're giving colour wheels away. We've got this kind of raffia sun hat. Raffia's hard on your hands. I do have some actually. Soft and sweet. We've got more food. That is mega pretty mandala. But okay. And this is just an advert for the toasty yarn, which I do have a little bit on special offer in my shop. And then we've got the beads. So I didn't see anywhere in this book where they mentioned the beads. Did you? Did you see anything about beads? I don't, even on this page. They normally say your free gift, but I didn't see beads once in this. Well, that's strange, isn't it? Don't you think? It's like putting something in and not mentioning it. Did I miss it, guys? Did you see it and I miss it? Fly over it somehow? I don't think I did. I don't think so. Very odd, very, very odd. Was it around here? Because, I don't know, I just felt like they're the colours of that. So, but it would say surely. It's just telling you the colours. It's not saying use beads anywhere, is it? Maybe they forgot. Do you think perhaps that they put them in and just forgot to say what they're for, and maybe I flipped over 2 pages and missed them? I don't really know. I'm just doing this to make sure, you know. And I don't think anything large will have fallen out that hole at all. You know, there's nothing there that mentions beads. So nothing could have fell out that would explain the beads. There was no room for another. No beads there. Just making sure. There was absolutely nothing whatsoever. The only thing I knew that could have fell out, I guess, is the size, would have been a crochet hook. But I can't see any mention of the beads, let alone a crochet hook. So this is another page where you might expect to find something, but no. And this is just, you know, more teaching Granny to suck eggs page. No beads there. Well, I don't know what's going on here, you know. They've put a free gift in, and usually there's a thing that talks about it. Does this? Slip stitch, double crochet, half treble, rows. No. I'm not going crazy, am I, guys? Have you seen these beads? Because I didn't. There's nothing, is there? I've been looking through this twice now. No mention of beads. Transform your makes 1 bead at a time. Wow. I don't know if there should have been a hook. I don't even know if there should have been beads, because they don't mention it. But anyway, it's a gift, isn't it? Beads. Okay. Well, what do you think? Do you like this magazine? Did I miss the beads twice? If I did, shout it out in the comment section. Let me know that I missed the beads twice, because that would just be, you know, the icing on the cake, wouldn't it, if I did? But yeah, this is the magazine. The Simply Crochet new mag and unexplained beads. What do you think? Was there anything in there you really, really liked? This is pretty. I didn't say it at the time, but I do like that. And I like the bag. Even though I did make one of these bags, that shape. It's quite snazzy with those squares, I do feel. And that shawl, I really liked that. I'm not interested in crochet food. I don't understand it. If I had little tiny kids around me that wanted to play with the kitchen, I'd see the point. But just sitting there with crochet food in a bowl, I don't understand. It's like I don't really understand wall hangings. You know, I'm not really up for them either. But that's just my personal opinion. I mean, other people might love them, and there are people who love a wall hanging, but not me. So yeah, and I don't know, if you're going to a festival, you could snazz up your jeans. I guess it's not a bad little idea. Anyway, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye bye for now.